Well, welcome in, and I'm so excited that you're here to watch this video. If you're here, obviously you're interested in starting somewhat of a spray tan business, and I'm excited to be your tour guide and take you along on truly showing you the potential and just dreaming about what this spray tan business could be doing for you. A little bit about me. I'm Tisha Buxton, and I am the owner of several companies. My first company is called Stupid Happy, and that is our sunless tanning brand. We have our tanning mousse that is on Amazon, TikTok Shop. We work with several influencers, built that brand from scratch. I've been in the spray tan industry for 7+ years. Just found how amazing it is and how special it is. It's like a hidden gem. Not many people know exactly how awesome it is. And I'm finding other women that love helping other women and making them feel beautiful and seen is my favorite thing. Okay, so you being here, you're probably either thinking about starting a profitable spray tan business. You're not just thinking, I want to buy a machine and just kind of dabble in this. You are truly thinking about this very seriously. Or you're in the beauty industry and you want to serve your clients more, but you don't have any more time. So you need to add in another luxury service that you're not having to sell your time. You're getting back some of your freedom. Or maybe you're someone who just kind of got this idea and you're thinking this could be an amazing side hustle for you to potentially replace your 9 to 5. So I'm going to kind of go through everything, showing you numbers, showing you exact, can this be profitable? Can you add this into your life? If you have no more time to give. So success looks different for everyone. My business isn't going to look the same as your business, is the same as Nancy's business. It is so amazing how it morphs into what you want it to be. But I want you to just take a minute and dream. What would you do if I handed you $500 right now on this call? I'm like, here's $500. What are you going to spend that on? Is it going to be on something fun for your kids? Is it going to go into your vacation fund? Now imagine even bigger. I hand you $1,000. What would you do with $1,000? I'd be taking my family on a trip for sure. I'd be paying off some credit cards. Or it might be, I have always wanted, this is going to sound, but this is truly something that I did. I wanted lip injections. That was one of the things, but I never felt like I could use my family's money. That was ick. It didn't feel right. Would you spend it on something like that? Possibly to spoil yourself and have it attached to no shame, make you feel like you're being selfish whatsoever. Feels pretty freaking good, right? This industry, it can be extremely flexible because the clients that you are spraying are people that are just like you. They're either busy moms, they're busy business owners. You are working around their schedule, which also matches your schedule, right? This is in the evenings. This is when your husband gets home and you can swap and then go and be spraying people, which then become your best friends. This reminds me of one of our students, Kenzie. She is a cosmetologist. She's super busy. Her books are closed, but she needs to be making more money, but she doesn't have any more time. And so she decided that she wanted to add on this spray tan service to her clients so she could have another touch point with them to give them another service with maybe someone she only sees every 6 months. Now she's able to see them again. And we know it's all about that connections. You can either learn it where it's very complicated and way too complicated, in my opinion, or you can learn it a very simplified, easy way to retain the information. That is going to be the base foundation of your confidence. If you don't feel good in your capabilities, people are trusting you with their bodies, you are not going to want to book lots of people, you're going to be stuck in the scared. So really making sure that you're starting from a place of someone has taught me, I know exactly what to do in X, Y, and Z situations. I know that I can get through this. You have very low overhead because it only costs you $5 to spray someone. In my salon, we would charge $55. That was like our base, our baby sleep-in solution. So I was profiting $50 because it only cost me $5. Those margins are insane. And again, that's not counting tips or retail. All of that is just extra back in your pocket. And the reason I was able to charge that amount was because of my confidence that I had attached to it. I know I can make everybody that steps in my tent, one, my best friend, and two, look freaking hot. And they feel it. And there is a huge demand. I don't believe in an oversaturated market. Think about when you drive down the road, how many chiropractor offices do you see? How many dentists do you see? How many hairdressers do you know? That is a pure example of there is a piece of the pie for everyone. The demand is still coming. This isn't the Jergens lotion that I used in high school. No, this is what celebrities are using. This is what people are doing as a healthy alternative to tanning beds or being in the sun. That is a thing of the past. We pay way too much money keeping our skin young to do the damage in the tanning beds. But we want the confidence of a bronze, and people are catching on to that. Younger and younger ages too, which is amazing. Everybody's business looks different because we all have different stories. We all have like a deeper why on why we truly need this. Is it a creative outlet? Is it a revenge business like it was for Crystal, who was going through a divorce? She purchased her course the same day that she turned in her divorce papers. And so we called her business, this is her revenge business. And this girl was so determined to prove him wrong that she ended up booking 30 clients within that first month of her purchasing Stupid Smart University. That is the power of the confidence that comes when it's attached to your why. Now, Alyssa, she was a cheer coach and she's a full-time registered nurse that works in the ER. Because that's such a high demand position, especially in the ER, she needed something to protect her own peace because in the hospital, she can't control that outcome. She can only help those patients so much. And so this was something that she could still be serving and helping someone, but in a creative way, in a more emotional connection type of way, that she didn't have someone's life in her hands. It was someone's confidence and skin. Yeah, when you put it in that perspective, like, definitely I could add this into my life. And then one of my last ones is Brickell. She actually was my employee. She hadn't even been spraying for me for a year. Before she bought my spray tan salon in Idaho, she purchased. So she scaled from being a spray tan employee within the same year, becoming an owner of that spray tan salon. And she also works a full-time job. And that just kind of gives you an example of the different types of stories that we all have. Even though we're coming in to do the same thing, we all have a different story behind it. Let's talk numbers. They're paying you $50 and it takes you 30 minutes to spray someone. If you do 4 tans in 2 hours, you just made $200. Let me check my math, which is what you see right here, a day. Now, you don't have to be spraying 4 people a day, but this is pretty cool. Only take 2 hours of your time to make this much money. That is working smarter, not harder. So remember how I told you about what if I were to just hand you $500 in the call earlier and what you would do with it? In just one day, you're already almost to that 500. Maybe let's say 6,000 a month, okay? The math is so easy to math. It's crazy. What I did when I started my business, I don't have more time. I still am a mom. I still have my students. So what am I gonna do, but I want to be like, I would love to be in the beauty industry, finding out that you do not have to have a cosmetology or esthetician license to start a spray tan business in the beauty industry. Again, not even talking about adding on tips or retail. So these are the things that most people struggle with coming into the industry. Their skill set, learning that hands, arms, and feet are the worst, and the skin tones that freak people out. The mindset that people have, you have to get used to people talking about, like, I don't do spray tans. I don't want to be orange. And you also don't want to have that fear of turning someone orange. And then lastly, it doesn't matter what skill you have, if it's lashes, if it's spray tans, if it's teeth whitening, whatever service you're doing, everybody struggles with execution, with marketing themselves, knowing how to even get those clients so they can practice their craft, so they can get better at it, so they can serve more people, so they can take their kids to Disneyland. You have to have all of those. So I'm not going to sugarcoat it. There is a level of work and education that goes into like checking the box for these three biggest struggles that people have coming into the industry. And can't I just like learn it on my own where you don't have to have a license to do this? Absolutely, you can, for sure. And I'm going to tell you how to do it right now. You're going to watch all of the YouTube videos, all of them, every single one. And then you're going to need to go back through and fact check those, because you're going to be given so many different opinions. You're going to have to figure out and filter through what is correct information, what is false information, so you don't go in there blind, spraying your clients, and you're doing something that is not correct. You're just going to start by spraying your friends for free. Everybody loves to help out a friend. Get yourself an amazing blending brush. Because you're doing this trial and error way, blending brush is going to be your best friend to buff out all of your mistakes as you're going about your way. And the last piece of advice I would give you is just slow and steady. If you're going to DIY it, it is going to take more money than what you thought. If you're thinking, I'm going to do DIY to save money, think again. I spent so much money in the beginning that if I would have just had somebody tell me, like, do this and this, would have saved me so much time. Like legitimate years of doing some bad tans to figuring it out to, let me tell you, you're here for a reason. Is it to just dabble in this? Probably not. You wouldn't be on this, like, you don't just want to charge $12, $24 a spray tan. Those are the ones that come with horror stories. You don't want your name attached to that. You want, when people think of their wedding that's coming up, when they think of they're getting ready to go in and have their baby, they want to feel their best, they think of you. And your price matches that because it matches your confidence. How are you going to get that confidence? In your education, and it's learning the right technique the first time. No trial and error, the first time. Letting your body take on that muscle memory so your brain isn't in overload and you just get to connect with your client. Getting hands-on mentoring, the thing that I wish I had so badly and is one of my absolute favorite things. Someone to tell you, change this, adjust your gun this way, you're doing amazing, this is how you fire a client, it's not your fault, this is how you tell them it's not your fault. Having someone there with you. Like with this fast track plan, it also helps you start earning money back into your business. My course is ADHD friendly with my tutorials, with my quizzes at the end, with my demos are for the person that needs bullet point information, no fluff. That's like, you do it exactly this way, and then you do this. And this is why. And then also access to our community, which we call our Sunless Sorority. We're at Stupid Smart University, and this is where you meet your best friends. Owning a business can also feel very lonely at times. I would have loved to have other people who had gone before me, who were going after me, who were in the same position as me, to just kind of bounce ideas back and forth from, or like, what are we thinking about Sholi's new product that we dropped? Did you see Norvell just did this? Not only do you get access to me pretty much for life, is you also, I do personal shopping for you. I send you your business in a box. I buy your equipment for you, your tent, enough solution for you to make back the money you will spend on this education. I know what you're thinking. Yes, that is extremely smart because we are smart businesswomen. You're also going to be learning, besides the amazing technique, you're going to be learning the business side. How to make contracts, how to set up an LLC. Like, do you need business insurance? I have done it, did it wrong several times, telling you that you actually don't have to spend money to file your LLC. And there are websites out there that will scam you and make you pay $72 to file your LLC, which really is for free. You also get 6 one-on-one mentoring coaching sessions with me. You get to use those however you see fit. If it's more on helping you with launching your business and the marketing side of Instagram and showing up authentically as you and it not feeling ick, or if it's launching your own product and how you source those products, how you make labels, I have done it. So as I'm continuing to add on to my education, taking other advanced courses, going to other mindset business retreats, I then will be making more education for you, and you just get to come along on the ride. So it's a one-time investment for lifetime access. Now, I'm sure you've already done some research on a lot of other programs, and they're going to check off the boxes. They're going to teach you maybe some technique. They're going to teach you some about skin tone. They're going to teach some stuff about equipment and may or may not include it, and having an online portal. But a lot of them will charge you extra for that deeper business mentoring, that one-on-one coaching, or they don't even offer you in person where I do. I wanted this program to be what I didn't have, and I was scared and lonely and wasted so much money. Next steps look like clicking on this link and booking a free dreaming session with me where we can go over, what does your dream look like specifically? What is your story? What are the things that you're wanting? And how can I help you get there? Or what other steps maybe need to come first before you're ready for that next step? And if it feels like a good fit, then definitely we can go into more of the investment, what that would look like, what payment plan options we have, and so forth. So if you made it to the end of this video, you are my person. This is a long video, especially for us ADHD people, but it's important. And I know that if you made it through it, it is for a true reason. And I can't wait to talk to you. You get to ask all of the questions. If you do end up missing this link that's here, you can also just go over to my website at Stupid Smart University and book a call with me there if this link isn't working for you for some other reason. But I can't wait to meet you on this call, and I look forward to hearing from you.